Hi, so since a lot of you are having issues with spam calls, I have a solution that could help you reduce those spam calls that's coming into your phone number. So first off, I need you to go to log in to your Lead Fuel CRM account, and after that, I need you to click automation. After you click automation, you will be redirected to this section, and then just click on create workflow and then select from template, and then here just for you to be able to find the IVR automation, just search for IVR and then just select choose template. Just wait for it to be added on your automations. And here, first off, I need you to rename this as IVR or spam calls. And then here, as you can see, there's already a pre-built automation for you, but just keep in mind you don't need to use all of these branches. I would recommend to use a simpler IVR branches, a simpler branches of IVR. Just have one to four options at least, or less, so you could still manage like the options you have, but it still depends on how would you like your IVR to handle the calls. But yeah, that's just a recommendation for me. As you can see here, let's start off with the first branch. There's this warning sign. Just click on this, and then you will be able to choose which phone number you want that IVR to work for. So in this case, I would choose this one, and then I'll click save. Don't forget to click save. So as you can see, the warning sign here disappears because I already added the phone number. And after, let's go to this branch. It says here, say a message. It means you can actually choose play a message or say a message. You can use AI to create a welcome message or an introduction for your IVR, which is just like this. So we will just need to type in your introduction for the IVR, which voice, AI woman or an AI man, and then how many times would you like that AI to repeat your introduction or the introduction. So you can also choose to play a message. So in this one, you can upload your own voice message or your own voicemail so that you can actually make it more personalized, even though it's an IVR. So you can just upload the file here, and that's it. Also, you can select the number of loops or how many times would you like the message to be repeated. Okay, so next moment, don't forget again to save. And then next is input. Number one, collect input from the caller. So the caller um will be having the options which one they will be choosing from your branches. So for example, press 1 for the services, press 2 to speak with one of our representatives, or press 3 to leave a voicemail. So it depends on how would you like your branches or your IVR to work. But as I told you, you can make it more simpler, or the lesser options, the better. so you can control your IVR more. So here we are just reducing the spam calls, or we are just eliminating the spam calls, but yeah, we still want you to receive the calls from your leads. So yeah, the simpler the better. So next is your options, or the IVR options you have. Here you can edit. Make sure to rename. For example, press 1 for services, and then press 2 for maybe payment options. Press 3 to speak with our reps or representatives. And yeah, and then you can save it. For this one, here are your options. So once they press this, press 1, press 2, or press 3, they will be redirected to these branches. So make sure to add, for example, for press 1, list of services. You can say or ask AI to say what you have written here, or you can also play a message or your own voicemail so that you can still personalize the responses. Okay, and you can also record the message. As I say, you can say a message or play a message. And then here you can transfer the call to the agent or anyone in your team. Just make sure that you added that user on the CRM, so they would be able to be assigned, or you will be able to assign them to receive the call. So here, as you can see, here are the team members that's inside the CRM. So just make sure you have your team member, or have whoever will be transferred the call to is added inside the CRM. Okay. You can also do advanced setting, and yeah, but yeah, it's better that you just transfer or connect the call to any of the users that will be handling those leads, and then save. And then here is the none, which is when no condition is matched. So basically, most of the leads that will be under this condition or branch are those spam calls, because they didn't choose any options from the given inputs. So that's how we can reduce your spam calls by using that. So next is, after you build this, let's just remove this one. You can remove, by the way, by just selecting these three dots and then delete action, and then click delete. And also copy action, you can copy here and then paste somewhere that you want to just click this. And yeah, so just make sure to publish. Once you publish this automation, click save. And then let's go to the phone number settings. So once you already created your automation, go to settings and then click phone number. Once you're inside the phone number, if you have multiple phone numbers, make sure to choose the phone number that you have assigned your IVR to. So in this case, I'll be choosing this, and then click these three dots, edit configuration. And then as you can see here, the IVR is the first priority for those calls that will be coming into this phone number. So as you can see, just click on edit and you will be redirected to the automation. So that's how it works. So call forwarding, as you can see, first priority is the IVR. So just click on save and automatically you will be um, automatically those calls will be redirected to the IVR that you have created earlier. So yeah, if you need help in testing the IVR that you have created, you can book a call with our support team and we will be testing the IVR that you created. Or we will be checking if you have created the IVR correctly. So just make sure that you follow the steps inside this video and just let us know if you need any help or if you have any questions. Thank you.